Hey, calm down! Calm down!
What was wrong with me getting them into the bay without the wind so we could deal with this?
Justin Ebel, an experienced houseboat operator, was guiding his customers to safety after their boat hit a rock. Under 46 U.S.C. Section 2304, federal law emphasizes a mariner's duty to render assistance to individuals in peril without unreasonable delay. Despite this lawful and commendable effort, National Park Service rangers interrupted his rescue, boarding his boat and accusing him of interfering with their duties. Ebel attempted to explain the urgency of his actions, but the rangers dismissed his explanation.
Yep, that's all right. We're doing a contact with him. As soon as we're done with that, you can take him right wherever you need to go. What's that? No, that's not how this is going to work. Federal law enforcement officer. My name is Ranger.
I will call Bob right now.
Call whoever you got to call. Go ahead.
This is bullshit.
Okay.
Contact the boat once I get them secured out of this wind.
If you're going to
We're going to have a real problem.
Okay. Hold it.
Let's go talk to him.
You want to talk to him first?
Yeah.
This is my business.
You don't have a permit to operate a business here anyway as far as
All right, sir. Come here.
just power down, we'll just come talk to you.
No, I'm going in. I'm going to park them.
I'll take you to jail for that. I said what you're doing right now is interfering with the agency's function.
Hey, calm down! Calm down! We're going to talk to you. Yeah, I'm gonna.
Stop!
Turn it off!
Shut the motor down!
Shut it down!
Alright, I told you to shut the motor down. You're in a law enforcement contact right now.
I don't care. You can do what you want. Whatever. I'm not stopping until I get my gas taken care of.
The rangers boarded Ebel's boat, insisting he power down and comply with their instructions. Under 16 U.S.C. Section 1A-6, park rangers have authority to enforce regulations, but such enforcement must be reasonable and proportional. Ebel's refusal stemmed from his concern for the safety of the stranded customers in worsening weather conditions. Despite his efforts to de-escalate the situation and focus on aiding his customers, the rangers escalated the confrontation, ultimately subduing him physically.
Okay, you're making this scene unsafe. You're making this scene unsafe. Shut it down.
Shut the motor down. I don't want to have to...
You're the one that's
Not at all. Stop.
Now you are being seized in a law enforcement right now. Get the fuck out! Get your hands behind your back! Get your hands behind your back!
Stop!
Either.
Stop!
Why? What the fuck? Why would you do that?
Because I'm trying to take care of my guest.
Other hand. Give me the other hand.
It's awkward in a spot there. Boy,
You got any weapons on you, sir?
weapons on board.
Is there anything in here that we need to know
No,
about?
there's nothing. Come on.
Okay. Just relax, all right?
This is totally unnecessary.
It is.
Until you
No, well,
escalate.
why can't I park my fucking houseboat? Why can't I get my houseboat parked out of the
I told
fucking
you you're in
wind?
the middle of a law enforcement contact. You're interfering with the agency's functions.
Prove it. Be advised, we have one in custody.
All right, give me this leg. What were you thinking?
Good copy.
I was trying to take care of my guest. You would have been more than happy to help you with it after I parked the boat.
No, you're going to jail.
Anything. I'm not going anywhere.
Okay. I don't think you have a choice in that right now. All right, do me a favor. Try to put your knees towards your chest. I'm trying to get you up, and we'll go towards your throat.
Just fucking pull me back. Bunch of fucking heroes.
All right, go ahead. We're gonna set you up here. All right, 1, 2, 3. Can you get up?
Yeah, let me put this in.
All right, just have a seat. When you finish this, grab it.
Yeah, that's fine.
Who are you?
What's that?
What's your name? Well, I can't hear very well either.
Okay. Well, I announced that back there when we were trying to contact you. Okay.
Yeah, this is awesome. Never seen a bigger fucking pile of shit in my life. Or nothing. What was wrong with me getting them into the bay without the wind so we could deal with this? And what did you need to make contact with them for?
Because something happened on park property, right? They were stuck, they were on a buoy, they went off in the marker.
On a buoy that
Okay.
fell because the ice went up. There's two old women, or two old men, it's an old couple.
Good copy. Myself.
They don't know what the hell's going on. This is crazy.
I understand that, but we still have to do a report to find
Yeah,
out
well,
what
it's going
happened,
to be a
okay?
great report.
That would have been. It would have been.
Yeah. Whatever.
Yep, that's fine. You got anybody you can call for this one? To take care of this boat?
I don't even know if I want to call somebody to take care of this. Yeah, you know, I do have somebody I want to call to take care of this boat.
Okay. No, you can leave that right where it is.
All right.
I'm just asking you, do you have anybody?
Yeah, you could call. You guys are real fucking cowboys, you know that? I just don't know why you couldn't make contact after we were going to make pull them in the park.
Because it doesn't work like that.
It's going to work like that for you. Do you understand that? This is going to change for you.
What's going to change?
The way you conduct that bullshit. What the hell? I can handle being bitched at. That's fine. But it's windy out here, and we got an old couple on there. They just hit a rock.
This is average for cabin. This is everyday
You know
weather
what?
for
I've
cabin.
lived here my whole fucking day. Do you know who kind of people I have to deal with? They don't know a damn thing about a boat.
Okay.
You understand that?
I do.
They wanted help parking. So I couldn't get help parking.
That's fine. But we made it a contact, right? When you make it law enforcement contact, that means we're dealing with something. You're not involved with it. You helped them off the rock. We left them out of it. Then you interfered with it.
It's not how this works. It's not how this works. My wife is calling me on the radio, so either you have to contact her or she's going to think I'm missing.
Okay.
So just contact her, tell her to come and have somebody get this boat, bring me to fucking jail, and this is going to be just a complete fucking shit show for all of us.
I don't want it to be a shit.
Well, you made it the shit show, Jesus Christ, you fucking tackled me. Right?
Not at all.
You didn't tackle me off
I
my
told you to
seat.
stop how many times? I don't want to argue with you. I mean, I'm not going to argue with
You are a motherfucker, you know that?
you. Wonderful. It's great.
Would you tell her I'm fucking being arrested for the fuck's sake? I got a business to run here. Hey, I got a business to run here. Let me push the nose, or push the fucking speaker for me. Hey, are you there? Hit the speakerphone thing again. Hit it on speaker. Hey, I need somebody to come to the... Oh, well, to get the dogs off, okay? Because I've been handcuffed. I've been fucking tased. I got tackled off my seat, and I got a bloody nose. And yet I got a houseboat running around in the wind with another one broke down the lake.
Who's your ranger?
I don't know. Tell me.
This guy. That's who's here.
Is this seriously necessary?
It was because he interfered with a government function that we were doing, okay? We were in the middle of a traffic stop, stopping the boat, and he interfered with it. Started hollering at us and everything else. Okay?
Well, I don't, this is ridiculous.
Just have my mother...
I'm gonna call him
Just
right now.
bother him on a Saturday.
During the altercation, rangers resorted to tasing and handcuffing Ebel, claiming he was obstructing government functions. According to Graham versus Connor, 490 at US 386, 1989, law enforcement's use of force must be objectively reasonable under the circumstances. However, Ebel's actions, motivated by his duty to assist his customers, did not pose a threat justifying such measures. His requests to park the boat safely before complying were ignored, leaving his business operations and customers in jeopardy.
Boy, are you shaking?
I'm not shaking. I'm rocking with
I
the
can
boat.
feel your goddamn pulse.
I don't want you falling off in there.
I know, because I'm pretty nimble.
All right.
It's worked pretty good. That's kind of that's the first one.
Yeah, we'll get those off you soon.
Not a fucking chance. Get that fucking boat off my engines. Get the boat off my engines.
Sit down.
Get the boat off my fucking engines. Pull it onto the side.
After being subdued, Ebel engaged in a conversation with the arresting rangers, questioning their actions and the necessity of their interference. Under the Freedom of Information Act, body camera footage later revealed the exchange, illustrating Ebel's calm demeanor and his genuine concerns for his customers' safety. The footage painted a troubling picture of the rangers prioritizing procedural adherence over practical judgment, raising questions about the proportionality and ethics of their enforcement approach. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.